Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2016 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, climate control automatic, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.